Hey guys, this is Miss Lynn, and I wanted to provide you a little help video for how to get started with your All About Me extra credit PowerPoint presentation. And I will post these videos throughout the year to help you out with some of our assignments. So hopefully that will be a good tool for you so you can be successful in this class. So this is 100% an optional assignment for extra credit, but if you go to our course content and you take a look at the course materials, inside there is a drop box called All About Me PowerPoint slide. And what this is just an opportunity for us to get to know each other better. I will share one a day in class. You can either talk about your slide, or if you're shy, I can talk about your slide. I don't care either way. And it's just an opportunity to share a little bit about yourself so we can all get to know each other. So if you're a PowerPoint pro, feel free to just make one amazing slide with pictures and points about what you like to do in your spare time, your hobbies, your family, your friends, as long as you can keep it to one slide. And if you're new to PowerPoint, don't worry, because you're going to learn it in this course. I do have a PowerPoint template in here that you can use to get started. You can just type your name in this top box here. You can make sure you click Enable Editing. You can type your name in the top box. You can add some bullet points about yourself, some hobbies, interesting facts, and then you can also add some images here. So if you have a picture saved on your computer, you could just click on Pictures. All right. If you don't want to use a picture of yourself, but maybe a picture of your favorite hobby, you can click here and you could search for pictures. Maybe football is your hobby and you want to search for football. The other thing you could do is, if you have an image from maybe social media or a website, you could pull that image up and you could right click it and do Save Image As. Just make sure you know where you saved it. I'm going to put it in my pictures, and then when I go back to my PowerPoint, I can click on Insert Pictures and I can find my picture I just saved. There it is, and insert it. So save this PowerPoint slide, upload it to our assignments folder here in the course materials section, All About Me Extra Credit. Remember, it's 100% optional, so you don't have to do this, but I sure hope you do, because it's a great way to get to know everyone better. So that is it. Good luck, and if you have any questions, please let me know.